Alright, hey y'all. So I'm about to show y'all my braids. I don't really want to show y'all my braids because like they just look real crusty, but I'm gonna show you how to take care of my braids. Well, take care of my hair like after these braids and what I do before I put the braids in. Nah, I ain't even gonna lie, this hair is like so matted. But it's alright. Cause I'm gonna show y'all what we gonna do. Okay, so I had these braids in for like a month, I think. It's almost a month. It's like 3 weeks. My mother braided my hair and child, I ain't even gonna lie, some of the hair from over here was like all the way over here, but I'm being grateful though. So alright, this is how my hair is looking. So right now I'm gonna just spritz it with some, this is aloe juice, some diluted aloe juice, and then I'm gonna use some apple cider vinegar too. This is just like conditioning and this is like cleansing. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna just do that. Well, I'm gonna do that, but I'm not gonna talk while I'm doing it. So I'm using the apple cider vinegar right now on my hair. This is gonna help cleanse my hair, and it's also gonna help soften it up. I already said that. Both of the aloe vera juice and the apple cider vinegar is gonna help like soften up the hair. So I'm still gonna be doing like some finger detangling. I'm not gonna lie, finger detangling takes a lot, but I'm sorry, I'm on the phone, y'all.
Why you do finger detangling? What is that?
You just detangle your hair with your fingers, girl. Self-explanatory. Because when you use a comb, it's like snagging up all the knots and everything like that. And most breakage. So I'm gonna be using this Rasul clay, whatever you want to call it. I stole a recipe from this girl Layla. I think her YouTube is like fusion culture or something like that. Okay, so we're done with the clay. So this is how much hair came out. I don't know if that's a good amount of hair or a bad amount of hair, but I mean, it's been in for like a month, so whatever. This is how the hair is looking. I'm not gonna lie, when I use, what is it, bentonite clay, my curls is more defined, but this is okay, it'll do. This low-key is more stretched than when I use bentonite clay. But I'm gonna leave this in for like 30 minutes or so. It's pretty late, I'm not even gonna lie. It's 2:38, 2:28. All right, girl. It's 2:28, y'all. But I'm gonna leave it in for like 30 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out. I'm going to put the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafure Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask in as a deep conditioner. I'm going to leave this in overnight. It's not really overnight because, as you guys know, it is like 3 o'clock in the morning. But we're going to keep it in for a couple of hours until it's time for me to wash it out. So, you know, for the most part, I do finger detangle, but when I put my deep conditioner in, I like to just completely comb it through. So I'm gonna just do this to all 4 sections and then pretty much just wrap up my hair. Now I'm just gonna put this back into a little bun. And I'm gonna put the shower cap on. And I'm gonna tie my hair down. I'm not gonna come back and wash it out, but when I come back, I'm just gonna be showing y'all like how I prep my hair to put it up into my braids again. Okay, y'all. So I just finished washing my hair. Well, I didn't just finish washing my hair, I'm lying. I washed my hair and I tied it up in this t-shirt. I always dry my hair in t-shirts because it's cotton and it reduces frizz and, you know, reduce breakage and stuff like that. So I dry it to like 80% or so, just to make sure like when I'm blow drying my hair, it's not too much heat. Ooh, and it also, when I do my what is that? When I do the t-shirt like that, it also stretches my hair out a little bit, so it'll stretch out my curls and make it easier for me to like blow dry. You still see like some curls, but for the most part, it's like stretched out. So what I'm gonna do is I low-key have like a blow dry routine, low-key, when I did like the silk press. So I'm just gonna spray some heat protectant in. This is the same heat protectant I have. This is the only heat protectant I have. So I'm just gonna spray that in my hair and put some leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner I'm gonna use is just to the lines of the same deep conditioner I use, the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafure Oil. This is an intensive hydration leave-in milk. I'm gonna put this in and then I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely forgot my hair porosity, and I meant to check it before I start blow drying it, before I start putting product and stuff in it. But it's too late now, because when you want to check your porosity, you need to check it like with freshly cleansed hair and whatnot. As y'all can see, this side of my hair is way thicker than this side. It's just how it is. I'm gonna have my mom braid my hair up. Yeah, chill. So I'm gonna braid this down. I don't know if y'all want to see it. I guess I'll put like a little clip of it being braided down. I mean, it don't look bad.
That's decent.
It's not as tight as mommy's, but it's alright.
I just gotta stop thinking about you. Feel my time better do. I dream that I married you, and I woke up happy and never came. You're not the one. I gotta find a way to be done, yeah. And I think I found it.
I love when my braids is fresh, because once my braids is fresh, when it's time for me, I ain't even gonna lie, I barely be wearing wigs, because I don't really go out. So when I go to the gym, I just throw on a little hat, either my Nike or Adidas hat, put this in like a little ponytail, but I really put it in a bun. So it's not like on my skin. And then when I'm at work, I wear like a surgical cap, so my hair is covered up. I don't have to worry about putting on a wig. So you know, the braids is hidden at all times. The only thing you might really see is my ends, and that's that. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when we finish this up right here. My mom really struggled with parting and stuff like that, so you see like the parting is she gonna be like, oh, you're ungrateful.
Did you low-key say you don't like your braids?
No, I did not say that.
Oh.
This is it. This is the hair. You know what's crazy? My body is so hairy, the hair grow everywhere else so quick, but not on my head. Not my head, like what the hell? But it's okay. Alright now. So this is it. This is the braids. This is done. Typically I would moisturize my ends, but my end is feeling pretty moisturized right now, so I'm just gonna leave it. But throughout the time, like while my hair is here, I usually just spray it with like some aloe vera juice just to moisturize it a little bit, and then I will always like touch up my ends and just put like leave-in conditioner on the ends and just twist it up, just so you know, because your ends is the most driest part of your hair. But that's just how I take care of my hair while it's in the braids for the month. I am gonna oil my scalp, like I'm gonna oil my scalp, well my mom's gonna oil my scalp with my oil, and that's it. That's just how I prep my hair for the next month of braids. Okay, and that's how I wash it for the next month of braids. I low-key don't like too many braids, because it's like when it's time to take it out, it's so much work, but it's okay. But I'm chatting right now. If you made it to the end of this video, I'm speaking too fast. I feel like I'm speaking in cursive. But if you made it to the end of this video, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and take care of your hair. I think that wink was horrible, but I don't even care, because I'm not about to sit here and keep trying to do it. So, bye guys.